Here's another one of those problems you might not be aware of, and I've seen plenty of experienced masons, project managers, and landscapers make it. And I don't think they even have a clue that there's a building code that says you cannot use rounded bullnosing that has a radius larger than 9/16 of an inch. So you can do this. You can have the front of the steps square and even use the section of the brick to protrude to create a nosing. But what they're not going to want to see will be a curve like this. Now you're probably wondering, why do they make these types of bricks? Why do they make bricks with bullnosing or curves like this? And that's because they're used on other parts of your project, like the top of a retaining wall. And I know what your next question is going to be, then why do you see so much of this? And my answer to that question is, again, probably most people don't know about it. I sincerely believe that most masons believe that the curved radius on a brick is meant to be used for a stair nosing, when in reality it's probably not going to meet your local building codes. So here we have a 2 1/4 inch wide brick with a radius from the center of the brick of 1 1/8 inches. And this is a section right here that can't be larger than 9/16 of an inch. It can be 9/16 of an inch. And actually one of the building codes suggests that it can be between 9/16 of an inch and 1/16 of an inch, suggesting that it does need to be rounded a little bit and that a square might not be approved by your local building department either. However, I think that's pushing it a little bit. And if you're going to have a bevel, it can't be more than 1/2 inch. And if you are going to have a nosing protrude past the face of the riser, then it needs to be between 3/4 of an inch and 1 1/4 inches. So it cannot be larger than 1 1/4 inches or shorter than 3/4 of an inch. So be aware of that one also. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.